Right, hello everybody, happy Songkran. Songkran is tomorrow, and as you know, Songkran is the Thai New Year and is, I believe, the biggest water fight or water festival in the world. This year I'm not too sure if it's going to happen like that, but I have other suggestions for you for things to do in Songkran. Yeah, so also Songkran, you'll see a lot of mini folk festivals and dancing and stuff like that. You obviously have to go to the right area. I'll leave some links in the description. But yeah, you'll see quite a bit of that going on, so you can go and watch that. Why not? As I said, I'm not too sure if there'll be a lot of people playing water, splashing water, but the biggest two areas to go are Silom and Koh San. I think you might see some people playing a little bit, but not much this year, as you know, due to the pandemic. Well, you'll see a lot of people cleaning their house or cleaning their rooms, so if you're like me, might be a good time to clean your house, something like that. If you do want to make merit, why not? You can let go of some fish in the river, or I believe they do turtles as well. You can let them go in the river, let go of a bird or something like that, or just go to a Thai temple and just make an offering to a monk. Yeah, so you could do that, why not? As for filming or taking photos to show your family at home, it's very difficult, because if the people are going to play water today or tomorrow, then yeah, it's a lot of water, a lot, so it can destroy your camera, or as in my case, I've got a little steady gimbal, I guess. So yeah, you don't want to bring up anything expensive like that. You do want to bring your mobile phone, but I suggest to everybody you put it in a plastic bag, or you can get those little waterproof diving bags and you can put it into one of them. But yeah, if you do go to Silom and Koh San and you see a lot of people playing water, trust me, you'll have to keep your mobile phone safe. And then there's the nightlife. Obviously the nightclubs will be booming with people, lots of great music, the dance music, the folk music, you name it. So if you do like your night clubbing, from the 13th, the 14th and the 15th, you'll be having a great night out. Also, there is a lot of water being sprayed around. I don't know why some people find it irritating and get irritated and sometimes get angry. So remember, it is the biggest water festival there is. So be prepared, because it can get very, very wet. As I said, this year is obviously, because of the pandemic, it might be a little bit less than it was. Last one is the clothing. Make sure you wear some good clothing and that. Don't go out in your Armani shirt. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the description, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Peace, love, bye.